Houston is a global gateway for trade and commerce, powered by the Port of Houston, shipping and maritime operations, airports, rail networks, manufacturing, and distribution centers. Maintaining that global advantage requires a workforce ready for the future of logistics. Houston City College partners with industry leaders to develop talent in logistics, global supply chain management, transportation, and emerging technologies, transforming the industry including artificial intelligence, automation, data analytics, and drone technology. From CDL-trained commercial drivers and logistics specialists to supply chain professionals and technology-enabled operations leaders, Houston City College creates pathways that help employers address immediate workforce needs while preparing for the future of smart logistics.